the past few months, I have seen a huge boom in influencers encouraging you to eat more red meat because it's unprocessed or nutrient dense and is much healthier than UPF. You might be surprised to know this, but when we look at nutrition outcomes from fake vegan meats versus actual meat, the plant-based alternatives actually led to more heart-healthy outcomes.
Of course, the plant-based creator claiming that vegan meats are healthier than red meat, but she's actually correct. Of school. This is why it's essential for everyone to understand that just because something is processed or ultra-processed, that doesn't mean it's unhealthy. What we should be looking at is the nutritional composition of that food and how it affects health markers and outcomes. In the same way that most people would agree that an ultra-processed cake would not have the same health effects as an ultra-processed whey protein. This meta-analysis of 7 randomized controlled trials that directly compare the effects of plant-based meats to meats which include red meat found that over weeks to months, replacing meat with plant-based meats led to reductions in LDL cholesterol, total cholesterol, and body weight, with no negative effects on any of the other cardiometabolic markers tested, such as blood pressure, HDL, and blood glucose. These benefits are likely due to differences in nutritional composition, such as a generally lower saturated fat content, higher polyunsaturated fat, and fiber content. And my friend Dr. Nagra also published a review last year highlighting the same findings. That replacing meat with vegan meats could be cardioprotective, but long-term randomized control trials and prospective cohort studies need to be conducted before we can make definitive conclusions. So as much as people don't want to hear this, and as a meat eater myself, based on the data we currently have, I cannot deny that processed vegan meats appear to be healthier than most meats, in particular red meats. Not dismissed.